Hey guys, it's me Genevieve. Welcome back to another video. In today's video is going to be the Vermont vlog.
Hello.
Are you excited? We are currently in the car. Normally we take my dad's car, but my dad's car had like a loose tire, so we're taking my mom's car. At the rest stop, it's like the big giant cookies. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like we should just get one, because when we get multiple, we never eat it. So.
I think this is what we ate
and then,
last.
I think so. And then I got a plain bagel toasted with veggie cream cheese.
This is literally the size best. It's size of your stomach and your face. Isn't that weird?
Oh yes. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
There's a cat. Oh yes, it's coming near us. Hey guys, so we have officially arrived in Vermont. We're currently at my aunt's house. The room I'm gonna be staying in. This is my cousin Noah's room, but I'm using it for the couple days that we're here. But I think the plan is to go to the lake and eat lunch. Hey guys, we're at the lake now. Say hi, Josie. This is the lake. It's very pretty. We got our little setup over here. We're gonna get like a better setup tomorrow, but very nice. The setup. The water's a little cold, but we went crawfishing and now we're gonna go like explore. Guys, we're in the trunk. Oh.
Should I just smell my shoes?
Noah, say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Yeah, hi to the vlog. We are currently in Vermont. Go. We're thrift shopping, guys. I found something in my room during the fall. It's very cute. Dude, this looks like Chloe from Dance Moms. I found a Revlon hair straightener. It's not gonna do anything. You have to have it heated up first. No. You just have to put it in. And then I found this like cute pink vase. I don't know. They're both cute. Hey guys, we're currently at this like smoothie, like healthy food place in Barton, Vermont. Today is like a sample day, so we went to like a bunch of different stores to get like samples. And at this one, I got like a mango smoothie or something, but it's like really good and like this like cute straw. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah, she's always wanted to do this.
Can I try this?
All right.
Okay guys, we're in the car, going home. Say hi, Joseph.